They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Go crazy! Oh, go stupid!
360!
Hello! ¡Concha tu madre!
Confusion of the highest order. Ooh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Man, I'm dead.
Say, you wanna come inside my clubhouse?
Whoa.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Wait a minute.
Banana!
What am I gonna do?
Whoa!
I'm dying. Help me.
Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft.
One, go! His name is John C.